In English, we've got 26 letters in the alphabet and 42 phonetic sounds. We don't write the way we speak the words. The way we say it is different from the way we speak it. That's why it's so important that we know our alphabetical phonetic sounds. So, here in this lesson, you're going to go and choose one of the two choices that you have, a British or American sound, to hear the 42 sounds. After that, you can choose an exercising Quizlet so that you can practice these sounds, these new sounds. The sounds will help you to understand better your English and sound more naturally.